Hey everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a really fun look and it's going to be themed around Valentine's Day / Galentine's Day, which is coming up really fast. So I thought it would be a really fun opportunity to do a little bit more of a fun makeup look. Maybe not necessarily something you would wear out, maybe you would, it depends on what kind of person you are and how adventurous you are with your style, or it could just be something that you do at home and just take some really cute pictures with. So what I thought would be really fun is just to do a lot of hearts and things like that, and I wanted to pair it with some of my favorite René of Paris pink toned wig colors. So I'm going to show you the look with all these wigs on at the end, but just to show you which wigs I'm going to be working with today, I have the brand new Wyatt from the new René of Paris collection in the color Watermelon-R, which is a gorgeous new pinky toned color. So gorgeous. And then of course a couple of my all-time favorites that are a little bit older now, like Breezy Wavez from the Muse collection in this beautiful color Dusty Rose. And for a bit of a more subtle pink tone, I have Rylee in Pastel Pink. So first I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the makeup look, and then at the end I'll show you a couple of ways to style these wigs to go with this Valentine's Day look I'm putting together in this video. So for this makeup look I wanted to get a little bit experimental with fun colors and hearts and things like that, so I'm going to be really focusing on those parts of this makeup look, and I'm probably going to gloss over the more basic things that are more of like a regular day-to-day makeup look, like the eyeliner and things like that. So the things that I'm going to be having the most fun with are my blush. I'm going to do some really dramatic blush, maybe some fun eyeshadow, and definitely lots of hearts in this look. So before I started filming, I already went ahead and did my base makeup, so I have my brows done already, as well as some concealer and foundation. So if you are someone that wears those things, you can go ahead and do those first. So just to jump straight into the fun part of this look, I'm going to go right into the eyeshadow. So of course, as you can imagine, I'm going to be using all sorts of fun pink and red tones. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a base of this really light pink. And I'm going to just put that all over my lower eyelid. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a slightly darker pink like this one and just put it in the crease, which is kind of up in this area. Now that I have a good pink base for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the blush, and I'm definitely going to come back for some fun final touches to the eyeshadow before I'm done. I'm actually going to use a little bit of face paint, so that's optional, but it's just for if you want a little bit of a pop, so I'll return to that after I do the blush first. So for the blush, I thought I would have a little bit of fun with some stickers. This is just a random pack of stickers that I picked up at a local pharmacy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the stickers on my face, maybe on my cheekbones or on the apples of my cheeks, and then put the blush over top of that, so then I can go ahead and peel off the sticker and it'll leave a little bit of a stencil of a heart. So if you wanted to, you could even just wear these stickers as part of your makeup look and skip that and just kind of incorporate the stickers into the look, but I thought it would be really fun to make kind of like a stencil. So I'm going to put them right here. Then just because I have it, I'm going to also just put another little heart up here. Now you can take your blush of your choice, and I'm going to go really heavy-handed with this because it is more of a fun makeup look. I'm just going to go right over top of the sticker. Just to make sure that these hearts really pop, I'm going to go ahead and take that same darker eyeshadow that I used on my eyelid and just kind of put that just around the outskirts of the heart. To make sure it blends in nicely with the rest of the blush, you can just go ahead and take your blush brush and just kind of blend it in a little bit. So I'm going to remove these stickers at the end to reveal the heart stencil, but for now I'm going to move back to the eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and go in with some face paint. So with face paint, it's almost kind of like working with watercolors. You want to make sure it's wet enough to transfer onto the brush, but not too wet that it's going to be sloppy. So you're going to want to definitely have a cup of water, almost like you're painting, as well as a paper towel to dab it off to make sure it's not too soggy. So I'm going to go in with this red and go in just along the crease and kind of make a wing out of it. to go ahead and add my fake lashes off camera, and I will be right back to do the final touches. So now with the lashes, here's how the look is coming together so far. I really love how this red line is almost kind of hidden behind your eyelid crease and the lashes, but it just kind of adds a little bit of a pop of color. And whenever I'm experimenting with different eyeshadow looks and I'm not completely confident about it, I feel like adding lashes always just makes any look that much better automatically. Okay, now for the grand reveal, let's remove these heart stickers and see if these came out like we hoped. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, that actually looks so cute. Let's see if the little one worked. Oh my gosh. That actually came out way better than I expected it to. That is awesome. And if you wanted to, you could even just leave the stickers on if you wanted to like put little stickers next to your eye and use that as the effect. The heart effect, but this little stencil thing is just so cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. So that looks really awesome as is. If you wanted to, you can even go back in with the face paint and just kind of add a heart outline. Just to see how it looks, I'm going to add a line of white just over this line of red just to help it pop a little bit. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of lip color for a final touch. So you can go for a more dramatic lip color, but I'm going to go for a neutral color just because the rest of the makeup is already so over the top. So here is the completed makeup look. Now I'm going to throw on a more Valentine's appropriate top and then try on some of these awesome wigs. So for the outfit, I just took this velvet pink corset top that I have and I paired it with this long sleeve white turtleneck because Valentine's Day is obviously in February, which is a bit of a colder month, at least where I live, so it's a way to take this cute piece and just make it more weather appropriate. And this, of course, is the first wig that I chose to wear with this look. This is Rylee in the color Pastel Pink, which is a really great color option if you want a little hint of color, but nothing too intense. It has this really gorgeous slight tint of pink, which is just so beautiful, thus the name Pastel Pink. Rylee is definitely one of my favorite wigs. It's probably one of my longest wigs in my collection, and it just works so well for a Valentine's Day look. Of course, it looks great styled down just like this. This is how it comes straight out of the box. So simple and easy for a gorgeous wavy look. Or you can also take some accessories to kind of pop the wig a little bit. So of course, like I was saying in the beginning, this is definitely a more over-the-top dramatic look that might not be wearable for everyone, but just to follow in that same line, I have these really cute bows that I think kind of complete the look with this wig. Now this wig does have a really nice lace front and lace part, so you can move the hair back out of the face and still have a very realistic looking hairline. So I'm going to kind of leave this side of the hair brushed back, and then just put a little bow on this side, just for a little cute pop of pink in the hair as well. And of course, I have to try on this wig, which is Wyatt from the new René of Paris collection that just came out this month in the new color Watermelon-R. So because of this pink tone, I also thought this would be another fantastic option for a Valentine's Day look. So let's swap it out. This wig is also a great option for someone who prefers a shorter style but still likes the cute little curl that this one has as well. This is a really great short style. And if I was going to wear this wig with this look, I would just take a little clip like this and push back the bangs just like that with this little beret. And I would also add a really cute earring like these little pink puffs. Just because the wig is so short, you can see an earring more clearly than you would if you were wearing a longer wig. And last but not least, I had to see what this look was like with my Breezy Wavez wig as well, because it is this kind of pinky peachy tone. And last but not least, I had to throw on my Breezy Wavez wig in the color Dusty Rose because it is another perfect pinky tone color for Valentine's Day. This wig is heat friendly, so you can actually use heating tools at a low heat to change the texture of this wig, so you can straighten it if you wanted to, but I just love the way these waves come when you first get the wig. And for this wig, I'm going to take this big bow and just pull back the sides of the hair to the back of my head, just like that, just to add a cute little accessory in the back. So that's it for this Valentine's Day makeup look. Let me know in the comments below which of the 3 wigs you liked best with this makeup look, and if you would wear this makeup look yourself. And if you are going to use any of these makeup tips, definitely tag us in your posts on Instagram at René of Paris. And last Friday on the René of Paris Instagram, I also just went live showing a more wearable, normal kind of Valentine's Day look on Instagram Live. So if you want to go watch that, if you missed it, it is up on their IGTV at René of Paris. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram for more wig tips and tutorials, and thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.